Hello everyone, welcome to LevelUp quiz. Shall we solve the quiz today? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and set the alarm. Let's get started.
Internet. Level 3. Which email service is owned by Microsoft?
Outlook.
What does CMS stand for in website management?
Content Management System.
Which company's messaging platform is known for its disappearing messages feature?
Snapchat.
What is the primary function of a CAPTCHA on websites?
Verify human users.
What does FAQ stand for on websites?
Frequently asked questions. So far so good?
Which online platform is synonymous with professional networking?
LinkedIn.
What is the term used for the act of illegally accessing someone else's computer system?
Hacking.
Which online payment system is owned by PayPal?
Venmo.
What does DNS stand for in Internet networking?
Domain Name System.
What is the term used for the act of sending an email to a large number of recipients without their consent?
Spamming. Cheer up.
What does 404 error indicate on a website?
Page not found.
What is the term used for the unauthorized access to confidential information by exploiting computer systems?
Cyber attack.
Which online retailer is known for its marketplace of handmade and vintage items?
Etsy.
What does VoIP stand for in telecommunications?
Voice over Internet Protocol.
Which social media platform is characterized by its photo and video sharing features with limited viewing time?
Instagram. Keep going.
What is the term used for the unauthorized copying or use of software?
Piracy.
What is the name of the online cloud storage service provided by Apple?
iCloud.
What is the name of the organization responsible for assigning domain names and IP addresses?
ICANN.
What does ISP stand for in the context of Internet services?
Internet Service Provider.
What is the term for a program that searches for and identifies items in a database matching specific criteria?
Search engine.
Job. Level 3. What do you call someone who takes care of patients' physical therapy?
Physical therapist.
Who designs medical equipment?
Biomedical engineer.
What job involves writing software?
Software developer.
Who provides legal advice to a company?
Corporate lawyer.
What is the job of someone who designs video games?
Game designer. So far so good?
Who helps businesses with strategic planning?
Business consultant.
What is the job of a person who writes books?
Author.
What job involves creating and testing new chemicals?
Chemist.
Who works to improve public health through research?
Epidemiologist.
What is the role of someone who designs aircraft?
Aerospace engineer. Cheer up.
What job involves creating and managing databases?
Database administrator.
Who analyzes economic trends for businesses?
Economist.
What is the job of someone who trains animals?
Animal trainer.
Who handles the security of a company's data?
Cybersecurity specialist.
What is the job of someone who develops new business opportunities?
Business development manager. Keep going.
Who writes reports and articles for newspapers?
Reporter.
Who works to design new consumer products?
Product designer.
Who manages the budgets of a company or department?
Budget analyst.
What is the role of someone who works with corporate finances and investments?
Investment banker.
What job involves designing marketing strategies for online platforms?
Digital marketing manager.
King. Level 3. Who was the King of Scotland who played a major role in the Crusades?
David I.
Which King of England was forced to abdicate in 1936?
Edward VIII.
Which king of Babylon conquered the kingdom of Judah?
Nebuchadnezzar II.
Who was the last king of the kingdom of Hawaii?
King Kalakaua.
Who was the last king of India before it became a British colony?
King George VI. So far so good?
Who was the king of Portugal during the Age of Exploration?
John II.
Which king of England is known for his attempts to increase royal power during the 13th century?
Henry III.
Which king was known for his defense of Christianity and the Crusades?
Louis IX.
Which king was famously killed by an arrow in his eye?
Harold II.
Who was the king of Scotland during the early 11th century known for his association with Macbeth?
Duncan I. Cheer up.
Which king of Israel was the son of King Saul?
Ishbosheth.
Which king of the Vikings founded the Danelaw in England?
Guthrum.
Which king of England was famous for the signing of the Magna Carta?
King John.
Who was the ancient king of Egypt who reigned during the construction of the Great Sphinx?
Khafra.
Who was the last king of the Ptolemaic dynasty of Egypt?
Cleopatra VII. Keep going.
Which king was the first monarch of the Tudor dynasty in England?
Henry VII.
Which king of Prussia initiated the first reforms of the Prussian state?
Frederick II.
Which king of Scotland was involved in the Battle of Falkirk?
Edward I.
Which king of Scotland was assassinated in 1420?
James I.
Which king of England was famous for the Battle of Agincourt?
Henry V.
Loan. Level 3. What is the process of combining multiple debts into a single loan?
Debt consolidation.
What is the maximum amount a borrower can borrow under a loan agreement?
Loan limit.
What is the rate at which banks lend to their most creditworthy customers?
Prime rate.
What is the legal document that transfers ownership of property to a lender?
Deed.
What type of loan is repaid with interest over a specific period?
Amortizing loan. So far so good?
What type of loan is used for travel expenses?
Travel loan.
What type of loan is used to buy household appliances?
Appliance loan.
What is the process of changing the terms of a loan agreement?
Loan modification.
What type of loan is used for financing educational expenses?
Education loan.
What type of loan has an interest rate that can change?
Variable rate loan. Cheer up.
What type of loan is used for large-scale construction projects?
Construction loan.
What is the fee paid for not repaying a loan on time?
Penalty fee.
What is the interest rate that is adjusted periodically based on market conditions?
Adjustable rate.
What is the process of evaluating a borrower's creditworthiness?
Credit assessment.
What is the interest rate at which banks lend to each other overnight?
Overnight rate. Keep going.
What is the document that details the terms of a student loan?
Student loan agreement.
What type of loan is repaid with a lump sum at the end of the term?
Balloon payment loan.
What is the financial institution that specializes in loans and mortgages?
Lending institution.
What type of loan is taken out against the equity of a home?
Home equity loan.
What is the legal process of taking possession of collateral due to loan default?
Repossession. Congratulations! Move on to level 4. Come on.